here this morning for a couple of hours just to get a few last rides done that we didn't do before. Then we're heading over to Epcot for the rest of the day. Yeah, really excited to come and do Rock and Roller Coaster especially. Molly's got her Tower of Terror outfit on, which is absolutely adorable. He's Lightning McQueen today with his Lightning McQueen Crocs. Jack's got his Stop, Drop and Roll Hollywood Studios t-shirt on.
Yeah.
And Lila is Slinky Dog. She looks happy as always, doesn't she? What you got, Jack? First Mickey pretzel of the trip, a week in, and the cheese sauce. Is it good?
Yeah.
He's wanted a pretzel this whole trip, and we finally got one. I'm gonna ride here first.
Yours, I think.
No, not Slinky Dog. We're gonna go on Rock and Roller Coaster.
Here we go.
Mickey pretzel.
There's some cheese.
Look, no, he's already done.
You ate one whole ear already? Is it good? Yeah. We're just waiting for Daddy and Jack and Jacob, aren't we, on Rock and Roller Coaster? And then we're going to go to Epcot.
Oh.
Is it good?
Get here through.
I don't know. Keep going. Six. Yay, we're in Peter Pan, Molly.
What do we have? We have Peter Pan.
Disney Skyliner and Disney's Hollywood Studios.
I like this.
We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Epcot International Stadium, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
Mom, I don't like this.
We hope you enjoyed your
This
visit
is actually
to
scarier than
Hollywood
Hyperion.
today. Now about the same size
so
as the
scared.
city of San Francisco and double the island of
Oh
Manhattan.
my god, we're so high.
Oh
my god.
We are high. We are really high.
I want to sit over here so I can see.
So can you see the ones to Epcot? That way.
I see a wish one. Why is Anna so far away from us? This one has nothing on it.
What's this?
This is Caribbean Beach Resort.
Oh, is it?
I want to stay here. Why can't we stay here?
The rooms aren't big enough for us.
Look at that over there.
Epcot ball.
What's that over there? The grey one.
Please, Lord, I'm so ready.
Wreck-It Ralph.
Why do we have such small heads? Hey guys, guess what I can see?
That's because I'm up so high.
It's not the real Eiffel Tower.
Yes, it is.
It's the Pooh Tower.
We're going to France.
Is it Jack's Tower, is it?
Yeah, it's Jack's Tower. We poo there every day. It's Star Wars. It was the real Eiffel Tower. You lied, Jacob. It's fake. Why is it on the
fake.
building? How dare you? He's in the building. How dare you? Jack, he's on the
Right, we getting ready to get out of this thing then?
No.
We're going to stay on it forever.
I don't understand.
Why are we getting off here when the airport goes moving?
Because we're going to Remy. We've got to meet Suzanne and David at Remy. We're in Epcot. What did you think of it, guys? Huh? Good. It's like, I like it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Do we have a photo pass?
Yes, so grab your phone out and take those pictures.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Can both of you girls give Eeyore a big hug? And turn around. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the show she really likes, but
Oh my
I
Do you guys know whose bedroom this is?
yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's a good one.
Can you come over here?
Because
Yeah.
and then we can do like a big
Jack,
group
get in,
photo
Jack.
with both of them if you guys want.
I got it.
The
I
pink
got it. If y'all
soldiers,
looking
yeah.
this way. Yeah. Perfect.
Do you guys want to do a big group photo with both of them?
Oh yeah.
Hug. Oh, big group hug. Yep, just right through that door into the shop where you get to see all of Winnie the Pooh's friends.
Somebody needs to open the door.
What you got? We got it from Caramel Couche. What have you got, Jack? Same?
Yeah.
Mickey Marshmallow. And we got the infamous butter bar. Waited a long time to try this. Is it good?
I haven't tried it yet.
Hello, what have you got? Let's see.
But don't take a bite of it.
Great review.
Is it good? Yummy. I've got one too. I'm so excited.
I saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love and full of frozen heart. For the first time in forever, I'm so glad you came this time. I'm supposed to find everyone.
Would you say that we're elated or gasping?
Let's just call it love.
To test the limits and break through. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go, let it come. I know that's right.
You looking at me like that? Is this Beverly?
Try it.
It's like vodka.
Try,
What is that?
take a big gulp.
No.
Big gulp. Big gulp. We like to drink.
That's minging. What is that? That actually tastes like pure alcohol.
What is it?
No, that's banana.
So try that one. Do you like it? Beverly, do you like it? Go then.
That's really good.
Mom, try how good that is.
Is it good? So you like that one too?
Try how good this one is. That one's actually so good. Joy.
Try it.
That's so bad.
Take it mouthwash.
ice.
Do you like it?
That's not ice. That's not ice. It tastes like mint melted.
So we're having lunch in the Connections Cafe. Got the Korean chicken burger. Lila went for the waffle. That looks so good.
Delicious. Mom, can I get tattooed?
What?
Can I get tattooed?
Ruby, where are we?
We're living with the land, guys. I'm so excited. I've only ever seen it online. I can't believe it's real. So exciting.
Soaring first. Oh, it's only 10 minutes though. Do you want to do this one first? Yeah. It's only 10 minutes. No. You want to go see the big mala? What? Jacob, alright, I'll see how it is. So you're experiencing it for the first time.
So excited. I feel very close to the water. I'm one with the earth.
Oh, the
Smells
breeze.
so good.
Welcome to a voyage of discovery and awareness of the richness, the diversity of the surprising nature of living with the land.
Chicken nugget man.
Our journey begins as dramatic and sudden changes are sweeping over the land. Approaching storm may seem violent and destructive to us, but to nature, it's a new beginning in the cycle of life. But over time, rainwater and nutrients gradually penetrated the hard surface of this
That middle
land.
one looks like
Even
me.
the hooves of the mighty buffalo helped create the rich soil.
The humidity.
One day become home to the
It is. It's so beautiful in here.
Of all the forces at work on the land, humans have had one of the most profound effects. The need to produce food for a growing world led to the enormous use and sometimes overuse of the land. In our search for more efficient ways to grow food, we often fail to realize the impact of our methods.
Learning to reduce the need for chemical pesticides by breeding and using natural predators, like ladybugs and wasps, to control pests. In the farmlands across America, we learned that our plant vegetation
How will we meet tomorrow's growing needs for food production, yet still respect the needs of the land? It's carefully controlled.
You're being disowned for saying that.
And for your safety.
What did you say?
Please remain seated in your boat.
Yeah.
I said this is the best ride ever.
Liar. Guys. Jacob. Lila.
These are
Yeah,
just
this is
a
all
few
real.
of the edible plants that have been an important source of nutrition for people living in the tropics.
Oh, it's funny.
Many are rich in vitamins and minerals, while others are well adapted to growing in less than ideal conditions. Some, like the water lily, thrive in wet, swampy areas and waterways. When we mention farming, you probably don't think of fish, but fish farming, or aquaculture, accounts for nearly half of all the seafood consumed globally. Tilapia, bass, and catfish, like the ones you see here, are three of the more popular. Together, we can continue to find more ways to increase food production and protect our precious natural environment. Only then will we truly be living with the land. indicator on the seat. Just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seat belt, carry-on item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice flight.
Get my toes out. No, not for free. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Don't be scared, it's not scary. It's not scary. Oh, that's in front of the camera. It's not scary.
What am I seeing in the 4K now?
Oh my god, this is so weird.
Songs? Yeah, it has songs on this ride. No, it doesn't have a drop. Yeah, another ride completed.
I'm gonna see Lola. We're mermaids. We're mermaids. You can be like the way. No, I was not thinking my food. Like,
Don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him on the way. Let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue
Hey,
world.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh,
Looking for my son!
Oh, I can help. Oh, Mario!
It's Nemo!
Where?
I don't know. That's why we're trying to find him. Nemo! Where are you?
Games? I love games. Oh, I'll think there's something great.
Jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of blue.
It's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking.
I wonder if clownfish taste funny. Nemo! What did you from my little bite? Oh, what a
Totally, dudes!
Lila, did you see the manatee? Look, Lila, he's coming back. Look, he's upside down. He is so big. See how big it is, Jack.
They're all just like intertwined. There's one there as well. Yeah.
How cool is that?
That's the other dolphin.
It's a hammerhead.
So will he eat the fish?
Molly, do you see the big shark?
Why is he not eating the fish?
Look at the fishies.
Why is he not eating the fish?
Wow, they're big. What's two of them?
Look behind you.
Big.
Look, two stingrays.
I love the way they just like little ghosts underneath.
That's what's sleeping in. Mickey! Wait a second, there's a Mickey!
That's so cool.
In a Mickey. There's a Mickey, it's hard to see from here.
Last floor, 2 per row.
Inside vehicle and please watch your children.
What do you mean I won't wear it?
During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your
Struggling to survive until we learn to communicate with one another. Now we can act as a team and survive together. Next to us, recording our knowledge of all. If anyone saw a problem, where we can the recorded knowledge stay behind is exerting a parrot. The parrots in turn create the record. Now there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East. They're watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. Please, busy. Number, please. One moment. Poised to shape the future of this, our spaceship
Or should I say, your future?
Hey, girl.
Gently, please.
Perfect. Are we gonna do a group photo? Yeah, let's do that one first, and then we'll do any individuals or smaller groups.
Did you make it move, Molly?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Enter, take the last, choose a row and slide all the way down. Little ones are welcome to sit in the orange boxes up front to get the best view of our window to the ocean. He's currently out surfing, so let's call him out by shouting out, "Hey, crush," on the count of 3.
Oranges! Oranges! Whoa! Double inverted 360s, dudes. Awesome. Well, check out all the humans in the human tank. Hey, human dudes! Well, that was kind of quiet. I said, hey, human dudes! Hey! Oh, they live. Awesome. A lot of big humans rocking the bench level. And look at all these little grommets traveling sub-level. Hey, little dudes! Away from a turtle pile. What, get away? Why, dude? Turtle piles are awesome. In fact, humans shout, turtle pile! Okay, little dude. Surf's up at the EAC.
Thanks a lot, Crush.
You okay in there?
Yeah.
We waiting for the fireworks?
Yeah.
What popcorn do you have? No, it's maple popcorn from the Canada Pavilion, and it's so good.
Ow.
These refills are $2.25, and they're honestly, this is the best popcorn in the whole of Disney, I swear.
To the great gathering.
Welcome.
Reminding us that we are more alike than we are different. A rhapsody of rhythms that unites us and connects us through commonalities of the heart.